I am hosting my friends for Christmas for the first time. Now, the thing is that I have just entered my hostess era and I'm not doing it well enough because they are literally gonna arrive in 1 hour and I have not set up anything. I have to set up my dining table, I have to fix food, and I'm running so late. I just got out of the shower, but I think we should get going. I have to go to a shop and get a few things, so I'm gonna go there, get them, and then we're gonna set up everything together. Okay, so I'm back. It was a very quick run and let me show you all everything I got. I got this brown chart paper, you will know why. Then these Christmas napkins, mini canvas, some paint and markers, and my favorite honey bell. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these. I also got these plates and these red cups. Okay, now that I have everything, let's start the prepping, let's start the decorating, let's start everything.
Guys,
Magic.
there's balls on everything. Literally. You think I would do
Y'all
it?
are happy?
Yeah, we are very
Very.
happy.
This is the first time I'm hosting anyone at my house. That's why I was very scared.
You just lost your hosting virginity. Ooh, damn son. She's doing it like the angle of the plate also.
Oh, that's so cute.
Christmas!
That's so cute.
Artist, admirer.
Admirer.
We can have both. Yeah, we can have both.
No, it's so cute.
Not letting them eat this because it's just so pretty and I'm taking pictures and they wanna eat, but I'm just
But Satlu is like, I want to eat the cheese. Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
eat the cheese.
Do that.
Do pictures. Yeah. I really like
She's vlogging also, so Pinterest.
Yeah, no,
Like,
vlogs,
yeah.
proper.
lunch. It's a lunch. It should have been a dinner, but it's fine.
No, Christmas is like brunch, lunch, breakfast vibes.
Really?
You know?
Okay, then I think it works.
Yeah.
Kanchi's camera is Muski Fine is looking. Now we're gonna do some canvas painting. I have these canvases with me, and we also have some candles that we are gonna paint. I'm so excited. Also, I got this beautiful like Christmas tree thing in a PR literally right now. We are just gonna put it here. It's so cute. It has these sparkles in it. Do you like the setup? Oh my god,
This is
Kanchi's also vlogging.
Yes.
Near the Christmas tree.
The candle.
We are painting candles also. And she's making this, and I think it's too tough for her.
It's very hard.
It's very hard.
Okay, I'm cancelling.
What are you making?
I'm picking still.
Okay, what are you making?
Cancelling it.
Maybe. Or
Yeah.
this. She's like,
This
I'm
is
changing
cute.
it.
Yeah.
This is
cute.
one of
This is also cute. This is my art. It's very cute. Bro, I to like Sakshi's. She was the underdog. She's like, no, I don't know. Now she made. Even Ryu's is very cute.
I was
It's very you.
Yeah, na?
Yeah, it's very.
It looks very cute. I love it. It's very aesthetic.
Yeah, it's very cozy.
Cozy
Yeah,
vibes,
cozy
yeah.
vibes.
I don't know how to do this, but.
Yay! You're done?
See?
Show.
It's polka
It's
dots
cute.
and hearts.
We can try it. If it doesn't work out, we'll just
But
make a normal circle one.
Yeah. You have to do
ऐसे हाथों
से
से
भी
because we
करते
don't have a beater. That's why I told you ना that just get a beater or something. The mixing is fine, but what happens is that the sugar doesn't get
It stays as chunks.
chunks.
Yeah.
So last time also I made, it was coming in your mouth. You could feel it that it's
Yeah.
a little, you know.
So,
like that. Sorry, this is just a rental friendly house. Not all the appliances are gonna be there. These are actually looking cute now that you think
Very
about
cute.
it.
Yeah.
You don't have your.
Vibe.
This is so less work.
Should be proper though.
Yeah, now I have to whisk it.
No, because you know my chachi bakes. So I just like, but you'll have to remove this.
Kanchi ones. This was
first
easy.
one was really good.
Yeah, let's do this.
The first one is.
Look, now wait. I pulled here.
Yeah, she pulled. She holds me back.
Bro, it started good, but then it just. Why you?
The canvas is fitting in the
Yeah.
That's so cute.
This one's bouncing early.
Oh.
Star. I think
Star,
star is
okay,
easy. Yeah, so wait. Snowflake, star. Wait, नीचे, हाँ. Cute. Okay. Okay. Can you all get it out? Wait, I'll just make these into like normal. And like one. Like, I just have it. Yup. Cute. H&M Kids gang. Yeah. We all wear H&M Kids all the time.
But no, let it cool down.
Yeah, even I think it should cool down now. Sit and do.
Oh wow.
Yay. These are the ones that came in that packet.
Yeah, no, I'm saying uska like.
Oh yeah.
Cute. Yeah, this is cute.
Bro, the thing this I got, no, I think this icing is not correct. It's not made pro- It came.
I'm not gonna eat, but how is it?
Oh.
You know what it tastes like?
Oh, I know.
No, this is that.
It's very nostalgic, no?
Yeah, it's
Photo session. Do you all like my tree?
Love it.
Love it. It's better with the.
Bows and the lights. Guys, so I'm in my comfy clothes and all my friends just left, and oh my god, it was such a fun day. Like, I am so happy about how my day went. Like, today it was so much fun. We did so many cute things and we had so much fun. We talked, we laughed, and everything was so perfect. And honestly, I have never spoken about this, but I feel like in my life I have very few like girl friends, and these kind of things with your girlies feel so good. Like, I'm so glad that I know these people. We literally match each other's vibe, like all four of us when we are together. Our group literally is called same type different font, and I think that's what we are. And yeah, this is your sign to host such cute things with your girlfriends, and just do these cute little things. I'm telling you, they feel so good when you're doing all of these things. They feel so therapeutic and you feel like, okay, you know, life's a little cute, it's a little chill. And apart from all your daily things that you do in general, I think you should have these days. Recently, I personally have started, you know, hosting people at my house, calling them for games night, going to my friend's place for games night, for fun lunches, dinner, breakfast, whatever, because I feel like these cute little things add so much to, you know, the kind of relationship you have with other people. And yeah, I am so glad tap because I think I did a great job at being a nice cute little hostess. So yeah, that's that, and yeah, that's it for the video.